she has a long history with Aunt Lydia. What can you tease?
What can I tease? Oh, I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm really excited for audiences to see the history there between those characters, because that definitely informs the way that they interact with each other the whole season. So yeah, and hopefully empathize with why Vidala is the way she is.
Well, how would you describe their relationship?
Tense. I think they don't love each other's company. I think there's some. I think Aunt Vidala thinks that Aunt Lydia has become a bit too soft.
Oh,
I think so, and I think
how is that even possible, really?
I know, right? I know. But yeah, Aunt Lydia's had such an incredible character arc that yeah, I'm excited for audiences to see where she ends up in this show.